Hey, what's up? It's Nick with Bearded Adventures again. This hike starts up a very steep hill, so I didn't get any footage of it. But once it planed out, I was able to start taking
Well, that was a pretty steep
some
hill.
footage.
That was a pretty steep hill.
This is actually at PJ Hoffmaster State Park. These trails are both hiking trails, and in the winter you can cross-country ski on them. We did see a few skiers out and about, as this is probably the last nice snow day of the winter. It's supposed to rain the entire next week and start getting warmer. But it's a really peaceful, quiet hike. I mean, even with running into skiers, it's just nice and somber. I've talked about this in my other videos, but I really want to come back and do these hikes in the summer just to see the difference. This is actually a fat, really sandy and mostly sand dunes. But there are some pretty cool big rolling hills off this trail. You can see how deep the snow is. That bench there was completely covered. Again, if you like this type of video where I do the voiceover after production, or if you'd like to see me talk while we're hiking, I can do that too. But leave that in the comments. This isn't too bad a hike. It's about, I think it said 4.5 miles, and it's a loop that goes out to Lake Michigan from the parking lot. It is not the hike I wanted to do. The hike I wanted to do was closed for construction. And finally, there are some decent sized waves. This is the third time I've been over to Lake Michigan this winter looking for waves and cool splashes, and this is the first time I've been successful. But with the waves, you get lots of really cold wind. There's an example of that cold wind blowing snow off the lake. We had to hike down the shoreline about half a mile, and then turns back in, and then it's a really short walk back to or hike back to the car. But there's this cool valley in between. This is where sightseers can come and see. It's a easy boardwalk path to the beach. This will be the last winter hike for the season. So look forward to some spring hikes. If you like my content, or please like my content and subscribe and share to all your friends and loved ones. Hope to see you out on the trail.